All right, so you're going to learn how to angle this flat top. Previously, we modeled the arches and it was just flat, but now we're going to get it at a nice angle. How do we do that? Well, there's an interesting tool called the shear tool. You're going to learn about that now. So let's turn this off and re-enable the one that we just modeled. For those who don't know, we modeled this in a previous video. Let's start. Let's press tab to go into edit mode. If we have anything selected, of course, just click away or press Alt A. All right, we want to select the top faces. So we in face select and left click on this one here and hold control and left click on the one on the end. We pick the shortest part, right? We learned that in that previous chapter. And now let's press front view, one for front view to see what we're doing. And remember the tool is the shear tool. We could find that in the tool panel if we press T over here down to the bottom here. And if you notice that, you will see shortcut Shift Spacebar and Shift Control Alt S. All right, so that is your shortcut, Shift Control Alt S. So let's do that, Shift Control Alt S. We have just activated the shear tool, but we need to tell it what direction to share it in. So we want to share it on the Y axis. So we need to press Y. And see, we notice as we move it, it goes either up or down. But there's something a little off about this. It's not exactly what we want. It's sharing, but you notice when I lift one side, the other side goes down, and the opposite happens when I do it the other way. But we don't want that. We want one side to remain still while the other side goes up alone. So how do we do that? Well, we have to select an active object. Right now, this is the active selection. Whatever is selected, and that is this is in yellow or orange, sorry, and there's one that is lighter like this white. This is the active selection. So I want this to be the active selection, this little strip here, this square rectangle. So I hold shift, left click again. So you notice that that is no longer the active. This is the active selection because I want the shear tool to shear from this face, actually from this edge rather, not the face. So I'm going to switch to edge mode, and there are no active edges here. But if I left click, shift left click and left click again, you see it turns white. So now this edge is the active edge. So we have to switch this from, in transform pivot point to the active element. So press 1 for front view, and let's do that again. Remember, Shift Control Alt S, and then press Y. And so watch what happens now. See that? So it shares from the active element. You just share it up and drop it like about there. Left click. Tab out of edit mode. And that is how we get our angled arch. Really cool. So I'll see you in the next video.